I am gonna tell you a little secret about me. I think everything about photography is intimidating. My husband is usually the cameraman, but he's out of town, so I had to set everything up today by myself. The lights, the camera, the whole kitchen by myself. But I did it, and it's kind of fun, so wish me luck. If you like this episode, make sure you give me a thumbs up so that I know I did okay. But today I'm gonna show you how to make some taco soup because the fall is here and who doesn't love a warm, comforting soup in the fall? To start off the taco soup, I'm putting it into a crock pot because I promised my kids I would take them to the museum today, and I won't have time to make dinner when we get back. My crock pot allows me to cook directly in the bowl, so I am adding hamburger and garlic and cooking it until the meat is no longer pink. To the cooked meat, I'm adding a small diced green pepper. If you don't know how to chop a pepper, or if you want to improve your pepper cutting skills, I'll put a link in the video. Next, I am adding a diced onion. Same thing as the pepper. I'll add a link. I'm adding 1 can of corn that has been drained, a can of kidney beans, also rinsed and drained, 1 can of tomato soup, a large can of diced tomatoes, and I'm stirring everything together. For the seasonings, I'm adding 1 packet of taco seasoning, pepper, salt, chili powder, garlic powder, water, and the recipe calls for Tabasco, but I only had some Cholula in my fridge, so that's what I'm using. Leave me a comment below telling me what is your favorite hot sauce. Now that I have everything mixed together, I am going to transfer the bowl back into the crock pot, move it over to my counter, and let it cook on low for the next several hours while we are gone. If you don't have a crock pot or don't want to wait around for 6 hours to eat it, just cook the soup in a large stock pot and let it simmer until it has thickened. You can find the full recipe below. Now let's head off to the museum. We just got back from the museum. I'm grateful I have some soup already in the crock pot ready to go because the kids are tired, they're worn out, and we got off schedule, so everything's off by a little bit, but I'm glad dinner's already made because it makes it so much easier. I'm proud that I actually set up all these lights and filmed this all by myself without having to call my husband, but I do have to say this is quite a journey and it's been so fun to learn how to do new things. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. But I'm gonna serve up dinner now, so come along with us and see if my kids will enjoy dinner.
I like the soup.
It's soup?